I'm not just going to grab you off the street and rape you. I'm going to keep raping you repeatedly for the foreseeable future until I get tired of it.
It was fucking hot, okay? A big-ass 6'5" werewolf-looking guy with huge muscles bear hugged me, and I was just face against the glass.
Don't show Trainwreck this shit. He's gonna go crazy if he sees this. We could bait him here.
Told you to fucking drink.
Yo, Trainwreck! Come here, Train! Here you go.
Más sensible, evidentemente, de la llegada de Sudamérica en contenedores. El año pasado se aprendieron algo más de 60 toneladas, más de 60.000 kilos de hachís y 1.000 kilos de cocaína.
God! What a fucked up day!
Hey, that was it, dude. That was it.
Hey,
that was it.
Dude, that's actually good. That's actually good.
That was it, right?
That's good.
That was it, dude.
That's good.
That was
it. That was fucking.
That was a good one. That was a clean one. That was a good one.
That was. The truth finally confessed.
Listen, I've been pretty transparent, okay? I do drugs, okay? I do coke. Only drug I do is coke. I like coke. No joke, dude. I do coke. Listen, look at me. Look at me.
Okay, dude. That's huge growth. I do coke, okay, guys? Oh, I don't do coke. I do coke, okay, guys?
Will you let go of that stupid pizza already?
I can't, it's for the customer.
Who cares about the customer?
Trainwreck!
I do.
Come here, Train!
No.
Here you go.
Squidward.
Yellows and look like SpongeBob. You still rock bottom at the bus stop, bitch. Scuba nose up in your hole. Dick in the sandy cheek, she touch her toes. Meeting like the tower of pizza. Eating my crusty crab pizza. I forget, bitch, I don't need her. Someone get Patrick a t-shirt. Shout out my nigga, no t-shirt. Hey, I just pop 5 addies, 2 Zans in my kelp shit. Wash it down, no Krabby Patty. What? Who can't fuck with Squidward? I just ball like Derek Fisher. I just pulled up in the sister. Mrs. Pope just roll some
now fuck Miss Pope. Shit's what I'm a fuck. No way I fucked her once in the truck for a buck. No way these bitches is chasing my scoring nose. I feel like Piccolo because I'm getting this green. These bitches kissing like mistletoe. I feel like Wu-Tang cause all that I'm getting this cream. Squidward's nose all in your bitch. She lost her panties. I flipped dope. I used to flip them Krabby Patties.
No, I mean, just coke.
Unfortunately, we're all out of coke.
I'm out of here, dude. I'm just. That's so good. You guys are fucking.
You leave the house to get coke. No, my coke dealer comes to me. I do coke. Do you understand that?
Yo, Train.
What are you doing? Oh my god!
Okay, I'm feeling jivey MacGyver, okay, dude? I'm ready to go. Listen, I'm sorry for the 44-minute intro. Just listen, these songs are so good. These songs are so good, and there's always... Listen, I don't know what it is, dude, okay? I don't know what it is, but I feel like every single time... You always think too much. I heart Roosters 9 months, 3 1 so much. Cowboys on something amazing. Coronel, thank you so much. 4 months, 3 1. Gas up $3, thank you. Just $3, thank you. Dividend 8 months, 2 times, thank you. Sheepdog, 22 months, 2 times, thank you. Queen, 3 months, thank you. Welcome to the gang. Nicole, $3, thank you. Singali, 3 months, season 1, thank you so much. Emotional, $3, thank you. Mecharexa, $3, thank you. Fecal, $77, thank you. Fixes, 6 months, 2 times, thank you. Dusky, $5, thank you. Barkley, 2 times, thank you. Welcome back, Barkley. So fucking top skills, motherfucker. Holy shit, welcome to the fucking community.
No, 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 no.
And like the inside, you can zip it up.
If it's Project Veritas, 100% that, dude. Do you know what Project Veritas is?
I mean, I'm assuming through the law of deduction that that's what it means. But realistically, if it's your moderator spamming it, I don't. I mean,
wait,
listen,
careful. Technically, that would be induction, not deduction. Okay, chill out.
Induction.
It's not, and also, like I said.
Wait, would that be induction? That's definitely deduction. I'm deducing from what you and Hassan just said. I'm deducing that that's what it means. How is that?
Yeah, but you're not actually deducing it. You don't have the facts to make that 100% deduction. You're using inductive reasoning to get there.
I didn't say it was 100% deduction. I said I'm deducing it. I never said 100%. The correct word is deducing.
Person.
It is. But you said deductive reasoning. It's inductive reasoning. You can deduce something through inductive reasoning.
Yeah, but I can still deduce it. I don't need to use the word inducting or inducing.
I'm gonna deduce that ass, boy.
Everyone's gonna agree with you because that's your position and you have the credibility, so they're gonna agree with you because they're blind.
No, I just said, hold on, dude.
No, not you, Hassan. I'm talking to Destiny. I'm talking to Destiny, but
there's no but. I'm very open. Like, for example, if you whipped your dick out, I would, you know, if you gave me permission, if you gave me consent, I'd give it a little tickle. I'd grab it.
What the fuck did I just come back to? What the fuck are you talking
about?
the
fuck out of that. Yeah, Destiny, shut the fuck up. Trey, that is the most respectful thing anyone has said in the 2 hours I've been in this channel. Fucking thing.
No problem, man. Listen. It won't turn me on. I'm not into it, but I would because think about it. Think about this, okay? Who cares if it doesn't turn me on? Why? If it doesn't turn me on, why should it be the other extreme? Oh, if it doesn't turn you on, then you have to be disgusted. No, why can't you be neutral? Why can't you grab it? Why can't I grab your dick? Fuck, why can't I jerk you off and feel nothing? Why does that have to make me gay or bisexual?
It's called a bro job, dude.
You're so not homophobic, Train. Holy fuck.
Thank you. No, that's generally no meme. That's generally how I feel. I honest to God feel that way. Like.